can see that ultraviolet light coming, and it's instantaneously curing the print. The color vibrancy, the durability, it's incredible. What I really like about roll-to-roll printers is the amount of different types of media you can load on the backside of it. Hey guys, we're here at the 2024 Impressions Expo in Long Beach, California, and right here we have the Mimaki UCJV300-160. What that means, I don't know, but it's a UV printer. As you see the print heads go across, you can see that ultraviolet light coming, and it's instantaneously curing the print. This printer is a two-head printer, and again, it's a roll-to-roll printer. So on the back side, you have the roll of media. It then gets printed and cut, and then gets wrapped up on the other. That's why it's called roll-to-roll printing. Now, for years, eco-solvent dominated roll-to-roll printing. UV is newer technology and can do a few things that an eco-solvent printer does not. Now, what we're printing on right now is essentially holographic media, and it gives it a really cool look and effect. So if you look at this Muhammad Ali and you let the light hit it, I mean, it's incredible the way it looks. What I really like about roll-to-roll printers is the amount of different types of media you can load on the backside of it. It'll print, cut, and come out. And that wide range of media includes everything from stickers to perforator window prints, car wraps, signs, banners, heat transfer vinyl, canvas, floor decals, stickers and labels, and more. I mean, if there's a different it really comes down to what media do you want to have on the back, print, cut. This printer uses CMYK, clear, and white. So if we wanted to have the colors pop more, we could first lay down a layer of white, CMYK, drop a clear over it, make it nice and sturdy. If you see these skateboards here, they are actually printed on the roll-to-roll media, and then it is wrapped around and cut, and I mean, it's incredible. The color, if you look at this color, I was convinced that's got to be CMYK plus light cyan plus light magenta. No, it's just CMYK. The color vibrancy, the durability, it's incredible. It's just so many different applications a roll-to-roll printer can do, and Mimaki makes really great equipment. They've been doing this for many years. They're not just getting in the game. Well engineered. UV, much newer technology, eco-solvent, definitely still very popular, a little bit less expensive, but every type of media, every type of printer in this room here at the Expo has a time and place. It's not uncommon for a shop to both have eco-solvent and UV roll-to-roll printers. If you have any questions or looking at purchasing a UV or eco-solvent roll-to-roll printer, there's a wide range of Mimaki dealers who can take care of you, including here, garmentprinter.com.